Hey you guys, welcome to slmworkfromhome.com. So I received a question from Saeed and he wants to know, is the Arise opportunity for the US only? So let's take a look here on the Arise website. Um, so according to this, it says that the Arise program is not open in certain states. So even in the United States, there are certain states that you're not able to be on the platform, such as California, Connecticut, Maryland, Massachusetts, New York, Oregon, and Wisconsin. Now, if you look towards the bottom, the other countries that it says you can use Arise in is the United Kingdom, UK, and in Canada. So those are the only areas that you can use the Arise platform. So now I do have three alternatives if you're not able to use the Arise platform. And the alternative I have is freelancing. So with freelancing, I do have three different websites that you can use. The first one is Scribby. Now with this platform, you can do freelance transcription for this company, and you would apply as a freelancer. And it says here you work at your own convenience and earn $5 to $20 per audio hour. Now, the good thing about Scribby is that you're not just listening to an audio and then starting from scratch. They do provide an automated transcript to save you around 60% of the typing effort. If you look down here, it says there's no obligations, no monthly commitments, or withdrawal limits. So I have used this platform, and basically you can hop on and hop off when you like. There's no obligations for you to go in here and freelance. So you get to basically go in here and work when you want. The only thing that I have an issue with here is the amount that you get paid. I would say that it's pretty low. I don't know for other countries what that would equal to in your currency, but this is something that you can do on the side. And if you're a fast typer, I believe you could make at least $300 a month or more. It does say $5 to $20 per audio hour. The next website that I want to show you is the Microworkers website. Now on this website, you can work and earn on here, and they have like little micro gigs that you can do. This is a fun website for me. Basically, you get to do what you're already doing online, such as posting, watching YouTube videos. There's some other things that you can do, but those are the main gigs that I do on here. It's just commenting on videos, posting, subscribing. So you can use like a YouTube account that you don't normally use, or you can use your own account and subscribe, and they pay you. You do have to get up to $9 before they pay you, but that's easy if you have the time to do that. And then the next website that I absolutely love, but I don't have the time to work on, is Fiverr. Now, don't click off the video. So with Fiverr, I have a specific way that you can get gigs on here, and you'll be able to earn income, in a good amount of income. I was able to, just not even really trying, earn $100. I'm not saying that you can earn $100. You may earn nothing, or you may earn more. So just off of 2 gigs, I was able to earn $100. Now, I know on this website, people sell their services for $5, but the gig that I was using, I was able to charge more. So on this website, if you're not able to use the Arise website, you can use Fiverr, and you can do the same service, which is customer service through the phone, or sales, cold calling. And that's the service that I was able to use to earn the $100. So basically, with cold calling, you set your gig up as a cold caller. The person who wants you to do the gig for them, they provide the script, and you just basically say what's on the script, and they basically tell you everything that you need to say. If you're able to do that, then you can do this gig and you can earn income. Now, there are other things that you can do on this website. You don't have to be on the phone. I personally was not able to continue doing this. We have added more children to our family, so I do have younger kids. So you do need a quiet work environment to be able to do that. So you can still use Fiverr for freelancing. You would just do like projects where you don't have to have a quiet environment, like create a thumbnail for YouTube video, create a cover for an ebook. They even have a gig on here where you just listen to someone tell you their problems. So definitely take a look into this. And I do have all the links down below. One thing too, Fiverr actually has a free course, free, that you can sign up for. And they show you how to set up your profile and how to earn on Fiverr. So definitely check that out. I have the link down below. And the final thing that I recommend for if you're not able to get on the Arise platform, I recommend this for you. And I also recommend this for even if you are able to get on the Arise platform, or if you work for any other company online, or if you have, a regular job where you work in the real world. So I definitely recommend learning affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is something that I stumbled upon accidentally. My number one reason for looking to earn online was that so I can work from home and be available for my family. And Arise was able to provide that for me. Now, let's be honest, when you work for Arise from home or any other company where it's like a call center environment, or any other, if you do developing or coding or things like that, you are still trading time for money. With Arise, you can pick your own schedule, you can pick who you want to work for, and you have the option of working from home, the luxury of working from home. But like I said, you're still trading time for dollars. Now, with affiliate marketing, what I was able to achieve was time freedom, financial freedom, and loving what I do. So just imagine this. Imagine waking up and getting paid every day from work that you did a week ago, months ago, or even years ago. Wouldn't that be nice for you to just keep having cash flow coming in every day from something that you worked on before? So that's pretty much what you can get through affiliate marketing. And like I said, I do recommend that for everybody, whether you have an online job or, whether you're working a day job. You want to start building something that will continue to pay you even after you've done the work, right? Some people call that passive income. I just call it income on autopilot, right? Because you set it, but some of the things that you set up, you don't necessarily forget. You do have to, go back in and, do a few things, water it. So one thing I was teaching my kids, I was teaching them about plants and seeds, right? So I was teaching them that the day that you plant the seed is not the day that you get the crop, right? So I was teaching them with beans. We planted some beans. And, as a kid, the next day you're going to look to see, did it start growing? Is there a sprout? But no, everything takes time and care. So the day that you plant the seed is not the day that you get the fruit. And the best thing about it is when your plant does grow, that you can whatever fruit that you planted or bean or whatever, it comes with more seeds, right? It creates more seeds that you can go in and plant again, right? That's called reinvesting into your business. But that's a video for another day. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.